How to make a text glow effect in Gimp. So first I will click here on File and then New to create a new project. Then click here on OK. And then I will click here on this text tool to write a text. So here I will say something, for example, glow. Okay. And here I will make this text to be white because it will be more visible. So click here on OK and I will increase letter spacing and I will increase size on 250. So there are actually two ways to make a glow text effect in Gimp. Now first and really simple is to simply go here on filters and then go here on blur and then go here on Gaussian blur. And then simply drag these sliders here and here you can see you will get a glow effect. But problem is letters are now blurry as well. Rarely this is exactly what you want. But in most of the cases you don't want this. You wish letters to be clear. Okay? So to do that, let me just click here on cancel. You will need to click here to create a new layer and make sure it is a transparent. Okay? Choose transparency. And then click here on OK. Now you need to move the transparent layer below the text layer. Okay, so now you need to click here on this text layer to activate it. And then right click on that text layer and click on alpha to selection. Okay, so now when I hide this text layer, here you can see I actually selected this text. So now click on transparent layer to activate it, okay? And then here you need to choose the color. So for example, let's just say I wish to make a green color glow effect. Click here on OK. And then I need to click here on this bucket fill tool. And then I will simply paint these letters, okay? Here you can see now these letters are green. Next, I need to click here on select. And then click here on invert because I wish my glow effect to go outside, not inside. And when I actually unhide this text layer and when I go here again on filters, blur and then Gaussian blur, and now you can drag these sliders until you get the results that you actually wish. So when you are satisfied how this looks, simply click here on OK. But here is the problem. When you try to move this text, this is what it happens. As you can see, those green letters stay where they are. You only moved one layer. So let me just click here on edit and then undo. So what you need to do, you simply need to left click here on text layer and then right click on that layer and then click here on merge down. Okay, so now we merged those two layers. So now when I try to move it, as you can see, everything moves. Letters and glow effect also move. So this is how you get text glow effect in Gimp.